We'll run through the code. Understand its operation and answer some key questions. Question number 1. What is the purpose of the two libraries? Letter A. Kotlin properties with write property. This library provides interface and utilities for defining custom property delegates, allowing customization of property access behavior. Letter B. Kotlin reflect key property. In this library provides information about properties at runtime, enabling inspection of properties and reflective operations. Number 2. What is the name of the class responsible for delegating property access? The class responsible for delegating property access is named delegate. Number 3. What property of what class is being delegated? The property being delegated is a name property of the person class. Number 4. Since there are no funGetValue and funSetValue is the class person, why is that there is an override fun at getValue and setValue in the class name delegate? Although there are no getValue and setValue function in the person class, the name delegate class overrides their functions because it implements the read-write property interface which requires their function to be implemented for property delegation. Number 5. What is the final output of the property delegation? Explain step by step how did the program achieve such output. The final output of the property delegation is current name property value Maria, setting name property value Sophia, current name property value Sophia. The final output is current name property value Maria, setting name property value Sophia, current name property value Sophia. Explanation is we create an instant P2 of the person class with the name Maria. We print the current value of the name property of P2 which is naturally Maria. We then assign the value Sophia to the name property of P2. During this assignment, the name delegate is invoked printing setting name property value Sophia. Finally, we print the updated value of the name property of P2 which is now Sophia.